Okay, so it is 1:30 in the morning. We're about to start heading over to the airport. Yeah, when I booked the flight to Edinburgh, I didn't realize it was out of Stansted, which is like a 2-hour kind of commute from our hotel right now. So yeah, we're just gonna leave now because our flight's at like 7:30 or something. But we're just gonna go a little bit early because we're not really sleeping much anyway. So yeah, we're just gonna leave now. Should get there in like 2 hours, and then I guess just try and find some breakfast or something there. But yeah, they're ready to go too. I felt like I got like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and I don't even know if it helped or hurt. How's it feel riding backwards on a bus?
Dada. It feels like daddy.
That's weird. What do you guys think of Scotland so far?
Have you seen the whole outside?
I mean, yeah, you've seen the outside. It's just
Seen the
it looks pretty much the same. Looks the same. The accents are different.
Daddy, I saw the farm.
You saw the farms already? Wow. I mean, the grass looks kind of green, even for me.
Daddy, when we went over to get our luggage, I saw a super cute baby. Super cute.
What was the cute baby doing?
Like just walking around with his dad.
I don't know if it was a baby then, so. That's a Scottish Seagull.
Yeah.
But if not, it's right next to the zoo, so we can try and go to that.
Oh yeah. I want to do to the zoo.
I think they even have a red panda there.
Mangoes.
Ooh.
There's sloths.
Yo, what you doing, Milo? There we go. Yeah, so naturally we had to check out the zoo first since our hotel is like literally right next to it, kind of like connected to it. So yeah, I don't know. It seems pretty cool. They have a red panda somewhere, I think.
And a flamingo.
Yeah, flamingos, whatever. Red pandas are kind of harder to find in like a zoo though. Oh, we got a bunch of them. Here, let's go check it out over here.
Flamingo cuckoo.
Whoa.
Oh, cow.
you hear him?
So going off of like probably like 10 or 20 minutes of sleep and a lot of walking. Wasn't as much walking yesterday because we kind of knew we were gonna be waking up early, but like not quite this level of sleep deprivation. But yeah, feeling okay. I mean, at least we're not like hungry. It's been pretty convenient to get food and stuff, and of course the public transportation is all pretty convenient as well. So yeah, we're at the zoo right now and they're playing at this playground, so we're gonna use this as a little bit of a break. Hopefully tire them out or something. I mean, I don't know how they're not tired already with the amount of sleep that they got and all the walking that they're doing too.
Look at his muscles. Could beat you up, right, Stella?
He has a big muscle in his little booty. Wow. That's how they walk.
Yeah.
What if you woke up and you saw that walking towards your bed?
I think he heard actually.
I know where you live, Stella.
Oh my goodness! The bag!
Look at one of
You think it's real?
This one definitely not real.
Yeah, at least I can take a nap now.
You guys can take a bath tonight.
Okay, so we all got like a 2-hour nap in. Now we're just gonna try and get some food, which looking like Five Guys because it seems like everybody kind of wants burgers right now. There's like 2 Five Guys and both of them are like by the city center, so we might just walk around a little bit anyway. We're planning on doing most of that stuff tomorrow since we're still a little bit tired, but we'll check it out a little bit today. And then we'll do like the big stuff tomorrow, like the castle, Victoria Street, yeah. But since it's not really gonna get dark for a little bit, might as well just take advantage of it. But yeah, the room is all right. We tried checking in early, I will say that, like pretty freaking early. I mean, we're allowed to check in like 2 hours early, but even still, like we were just really hoping that we could get something because everybody was super freaking tired. And I mean, again, I'm not too picky on the room because when you're on vacation, not really gonna be spending a whole lot of time in here anyway, except, you know, when the kids are kind of struggling. But yeah, I didn't realize it was like, I don't know what kind of room we requested, but if they were going to be doing all of this, I would have just taken a smaller bed, it's fine. I was like, wait, why is there like a seam here? But yeah, so we're gonna go and get dressed and get some food. And yeah, I'll take some B-roll, I guess. You ready for some food? This was like blowing my mind for the longest time. I didn't realize how this worked, but I guess something like that. I have no idea. But I mean, it's kind of more of a pain for me than it is for somebody who's breaking in, because it probably would be that hard. Are all elevators this small? I mean, I know American's supposed to be big, but this is a little...
You're squishing stuff.
It's squished. Man, it got really sunny and nice out. Oh, Milo, look. What's that on the wall? Watch out. Watch out. Well, I got the Scottish flag I was trying to get, and I got some souvenirs for the For my mom, I got like a scarf, which I'm pretty sure was made in Scotland. The dude wasn't too sure, but I mean, it had all the right labels and stuff. And I Googled it, and it looked like it was made in Scotland, so hopefully it was, I guess. And then, yeah, of course I got a magnet, which is pretty standard. But we're gonna walk around for a little bit more, and then probably just head back, because we're gonna do most of this stuff tomorrow anyway. Not quite. You can give your friends cavities. Bro. That's crazy. All right, so first little exposure to Edinburgh. It was pretty cool. Again, it is always trippy when you have like all these modern buildings surrounded by all these like old churches and castles and stuff. To the kids, like any old building is a castle, which is kind of funny. But yeah, it's true. Like a lot of these buildings are just older than pretty much all the old stuff you would see in the US. So yeah, it's kind of trippy. I am liking all the seagulls too. Creates the ambiance, you know. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I'm excited to go check it out again tomorrow. Hey, show us the view. Whoa.
It would be cool.
A parking lot? Oh, parking lot and stairs.
What? What?
So look at the pigeon spikes.
Pigeon.
Mm-hmm.
Do your pigeons sit on?